So, and how to get phpMyAdmin into Docker? First of all, we need to find one file that names docker composed UML. After this, we need to go to the official link phpMyAdmin to the Docker. Link will be in the description. After this, we're going to the bottom of the page and middle of the page and copy this code into the end in docker compose UML. Save them and go into the terminal, going to the backend and write the command docker compose up with build attribute. Okay, this rebuilding, and now we need to check it. We go into the browser and update our page. Now we see that Docker is running, and we need to go to port 8080. Going to this port, and we see phpMyAdmin entering window. In this window, we need to put our database data, need to put name to the server area, and need to put user name to the login, and put the password of this database to the password section and authorize. And after this, we see the phpMyAdmin panel and see our database. Thank you for watching.